In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Discord login error quickly and safely. If you've been trying to sign in and Discord just won't let you in, don't worry. This usually comes down to a server issue, a wrong login detail, or a corrupted cache file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to check and how to get back into your account. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether Discord itself is having problems. Open your browser and go to discordstatus.com. This will show you the current server status for Discord. If there's an outage or degraded performance, the issue may not be on your side at all. In that case, the best thing to do is wait until Discord services are back to normal, then try logging in again. If the servers are working fine, the next step is to open the Discord login page and carefully enter your account details. Double-check your email address, your phone number if you use that to sign in, and your password. Even a small typo can cause a login error, so take a moment to make sure everything is spelled correctly. If you're still unable to sign in and you think your password may be wrong, click the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the reset process and create a new password, then go back and try logging in again with the updated credentials. If you're using Discord in a browser and the login error keeps happening, your browser cache could be the problem. To clear it, open your browser menu, click the three dots, and go to Delete Browsing Data. Then select Cached Images and Files and click Clear. This removes stored files that may be interfering with the Discord login page and gives you a clean start. If you're using the Discord app on Windows, there's one more fix worth trying. Press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder and delete it. This clears out local app data that may be causing login problems. After that, reopen Discord and try signing in again. Usually, one of these steps will fix the issue, whether it was a server outage, an incorrect password, or damaged cache files. So remember the order. Check Discord status, verify your login details, reset your password if needed, clear your browser cache, and delete the Discord app folder if you're on Windows. If this helped you get back into Discord, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.